OmniFob, the first key fob for smart home and connected car. Control your everything with the simple click of a button.
Hey Siri, find my OmniFob.
That's done.
OmniFob is compatible with a wide range of devices for both iOS and Android users through two of the best smart home aggregators in the space, Samsung SmartThings and YouKnowMe. We also have a handful of direct connections to great products like NextGarage, Chipolo, and our first partner in the connected car space, MobiKey. With the MobiKey Pro system installed in your car, you can lock and unlock the doors, pop the trunk, and start it remotely from your OmniFob. We're also working with Blue Remote, a new and innovative system for controlling the remote functions for any car, garage door, or home security alarm without the need for professional installation. Setting up your OmniFob is simple. After pairing it with the app on your phone, all the devices, scenes, and routines you have already set up from the compatible apps will be imported into the OmniFob app. Select the ones you want, and they will become available instantly on your OmniFob. There is a battery indicator on the screen and the app, so you know when it's time to plug it in. OmniFob is a shortcut remote to your most frequently used devices, but it can actually control over 100 different devices and scenes. We designed quick controls so you can trigger your favorites without looking at the screen. Simply double-click, long press, quad-click, or shake and click to trigger your favorites. OmniFob comes with the following features out of the box: a Bluetooth locator powered by Chipolo, a remote camera trigger, a panic button, a mini flashlight, and a removable anywhere pocket clip, so it's compatible with our modular keyport system. Not only can you attach it to your keychain or clip it to your pocket, you can also combine it with our other keyport modules or connect it to one of our key organizers to create your own personalized everyday carry solution.
This is our fourth Kickstarter campaign. After creating over 30 different products, we have customers in over 60 countries worldwide. So we have a ton of experience bringing new products to market. We've been working on OmniFob for over 2 years with multiple prototypes and iterations. Getting our customers involved in the process on Kickstarter allows us to get real-time feedback and make adjustments and tweaks before it ships. Please join us to get OmniFob through the final phases of production and clip to your pocket.